Hey, fellow XRP holder, how you doing? We're going to talk about an XRP price prediction in this video. I'm going to share with you what I think XRP is going to do in the month of September, as well as an XRP price prediction for the end of 2025 as we roll into the fourth quarter. And we might even talk about XRP price as we roll into 2026. That's what we're going to cover in this video. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button below if you would. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, while you're down there, there's in the link in the description below. There's a description right below this video on YouTube. And if you're watching this on X, the link there's below this video. Go join my free Wealth Strategies crypto newsletter. Okay, what it is it's a twice a week newsletter, free newsletter. We're going to send you crypto and stock profit wealth strategies, anything to help you make more money in crypto and stocks. We're going to do. We're not going to spam you. We're not going to send you a bunch of junk. I promise. It's pure content, pure value-based content. And it's completely 100% free. So the link's in the description below. So go get that. Okay. So where are we at with XRP? Here's a good view of it. So this is the chart for XRP over on TradingView. You can see this right here, and you can see these two yellow lines, and you can see this red line as we kind of look. I'll redraw that to kind of show you what I did here. So if I look right here, I'll show you. So pretty much in the last 45 to 46 days, you can see how XRP has been trading in this range between $2.80 and kind of that $3.35-ish cent range. That's really been the trading range. It's been consolidating. Okay. And so talking about an XRP price prediction for the month of September, I think we're going to stay here for the majority of September. We're going to stay in this tight trading range. We have a report coming out tomorrow, Friday. We're going to get a jobs report tomorrow. It's the government jobs report, talking about how good or bad the economy is in association with jobs. This is a big report that we're waiting on that the Fed's going to watch as kind of the final report before they make their decision later in September when the Federal Reserve meets to whether or not they're going to reduce the interest rate, which we're expecting. We're at a 98% expectation percentage. That's what the odds makers out there have put on it as far as we are going to get a Federal Reserve rate cut. Okay, so from here until the end of September, I think we're going to see XRP trade within this kind of this range that we've been talking about, this 280 to 335 range, because there's not a lot that's going to move the price positive or negative, because everybody is going to be waiting to see what the Federal Reserve does. And so what that means is there's not going to be a lot of liquidity, a lot of capital to push XRP either up or down. Okay. Now, if we get a bad jobs report tomorrow, we could see it roll down 260, 250 from an XRP price prediction standpoint. Just know that's there. Okay. So let's kind of focus now on fourth quarter. Look, fourth quarter, the expectation is that the fourth quarter 2025, October, November, December, are going to be tremendously, massively bullish. Okay. The expectation is we're going to see Bitcoin go between 150 to 200,000. The expectation, we're going to see Ethereum blow past its all-time high again and go to and double at least, maybe 8,000 plus, okay? Because Ethereum's got more room to move. XRP, from an XRP price prediction, I think at minimum we're going to see XRP go to $10 if we get the bull run across the entire crypto market. If we have trillions of dollars of liquidity flow back in, which the expectation is that we are going to get that. Okay, so for an XRP price prediction, I think minimum we're looking at $10 by the end of 2025, which is in essence a little bit over a 3x from right here where we're at. I think our high side, our XRP price prediction, higher numbers, $15 to $20. I think $20 is possible if we have a lot of euphoria, we have a lot of capital, liquidity, cash, people, millions of people coming back and bringing their money back and putting it into major assets like XRP. Now, this is outside of any additional strategic acquisitions or partnerships that XRP, the Ripple team, puts together to help us move that forward, right? It's outside of, and other things that will factor into this is, what's the federal government going to do? We could see strategic reserves. We could see XRP added in a couple of those. We're going to see some more legislation. We're going to see just a lot of stuff, I think, coming from the administration, the Congress, et cetera, related, the SEC, all positive for crypto. Okay. By the way, on another note, if those of you guys wonder where I'm at, I'm actually in Vegas this week with my wife. It's our 20-year wedding anniversary. We're staying at Caesars. And let me give you kind of the view out of the window. This is kind of cool. So I want to show you this. So That's the old Mirage, okay? And you can see that they're rebuilding it. And I don't know if you guys know this, that is now going to be the Hard Rock. And I've been reading on it. It's supposed to be it's going to be an amazing hotel. So the Hard Rock bought the old Mirage property and they're completely renovating it. So that's something that's coming. So again, my wife and I are out here for a little short trip for our 20th year wedding anniversary. Yeah, kind of crazy. Okay, so XRP price prediction for September, stay the same. XRP price prediction for the end of Q4, I think we could see $10, 15, 20. Those are kind of our reach numbers. Again, with everything I've said earlier, kind of the reasoning around that. And rolling into 2026, man, the expectation is 2026 is going to be an amazing year for XRP. And I think XRP price prediction for 26, we could see 30, 40, 50 bucks as possibility. Okay. Again, it's not going to do that in a vacuum, guys. It's not going to happen. XRP is not going to do that by itself. I'm talking about that. You have to look at how the market works. If Bitcoin continues to go up and rolls up into 2026, XRP is going to roll up by default. Ethereum is going to go up by default, Cardano, etc. Okay. And then you add on top of that, their own, their own catalyst, positive catalyst that XRP would have. It's all good stuff. Okay. So I want to show you real quickly that you could be using my trading indicator to make even more money in crypto. Look, this is a buy alert to a sell alert in 15 days. You can see Ethereum went up 52%. So these buy alerts, sell alerts, the software runs on your iPhone, runs on Android, runs on any device you want it to. And it literally will give you pop-ups, okay? And it's called X1 Algo, and it's $1.15 a day. I'll show you the website here in just a minute. And we have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. So you can see like right there in 15 days, how would you like to make 52%? $1,000 in would have made you an additional $523. Then the software said sell, wait for a minute, buy again, roll up to that, so about 60%. And then it said sell, see, and then right there, don't take that loss. Buy again, roll up to the next move. Look at that, 38 days, 92%. Sell again, don't take the loss. Let Ethereum, as an example, roll back down. And then boom, we had another buy alert coming in, and right there in 48 days, 100%, doubling your money. And that's an example of how the software works, okay? Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. It's called swing trading, and it allows you to make even more profit on top of how you invest now, in addition to like a long-term buy and hold strategy. So this is how I make additional money in crypto. I have my long-term buy and hold strategy, right? And then I use my software to buy and sell along the way. So links are in the description below to go check up X1 Algo. There's a discount code down there as well when you hit that link, and the discount code makes this about $1.15 a day. The quarterly option is the cheapest on a per day basis, so give it a look if you want. And as I said, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Okay, so I'm trying to give you everything you can to help you make even more money in this crazy crypto market. Okay, so links are right down there. Go get it. If you're watching this on X, links will be below this video as well. I'll see you.